Hi guys, let's start with a new roadmap for the uh, beginner coders. I came up with a course which is on GFG, which is basically for the beginners who just started coding, learning coding. Okay, so how can I search? How can you go to that course? Let's search GFG courses. GFG courses. Okay, scroll down and go to this link. After that, go to online courses and in free section, scroll down. You will get this course. This is Fork CPP. And if you want to learn in Python, then you can use Fork Python. If you want to learn Java, then you can use Fork Java. For right now, I am talking about Fork CPP. Okay, I am already registered. Let's open this course. So basically this course is divided into 6 modules. First is basics and control structures. Second is arrays and strings. Third is pointers and object. Fourth module is vector and pair. Fifth module is stacks and queues. Sixth module is sets and map. I will talk about each module. Don't worry. Okay. Let's see what it notice board says. Course update is in progress. Kindly hear with us. Detailed in pin discussion. Okay, you need to score 5%. These are the rules you can read from here. How to score in these. Also, there are contests available. Let's open module 1. Okay, let's see the layout, how the course is structured. First, go to overview. You can see. Please use the links topics before attempting the questions of the MCQs. Okay, MCQs are basically in this section, Qs section. There are few questions, 10 to 15 questions will be given to practice. So you can go to overview, learn these articles. Okay, and more coding questions for practice are also given here. And if you want to learn coding, okay, like this is for theoretical, which to solve MCQ questions, and for coding these are the problems given here. C++, hello world, the new line, data types, taking input to learn to comment. Get it? There are few questions given here. Okay, and for the purpose of learning, you can come here and writing first C++ program, hello world, open it, and this is very basic. You can learn step by step, and I am sure that you are confident in the coding. Next is C++ data types. Everything is written here. Everything in a structured way. Okay, these are the layout in the first module. First module, which is basics of control and structure. Okay. In this, you will read how to use indel. It means how to go to next line, errors, how to use commands in C or C++, loops in C++, execute loops in C++, else if conditions, basically conditions. And in second module, arrays and string, same structure will be followed. Okay. In overview, you can learn the concepts and apply in the queues. Okay, you can also give contests. Okay, this is live here. You can also use this contest to get your marks. Okay, here are some problems you can practice. Let's open any one problem. Okay, let's open this problem. How is the layout? How is the IDE provided? Okay, here this is question number 3 of module 2. Media level is easy and accuracy is 42.64%. Okay, submissions is also good, and the points you will get from this code is 2 points, and the question will be in this form. And if you feel any doubt, you can load the comments, okay, and see the solutions provided by the fellow members. Okay, and you can code here as well. Also doubt support is given here, but I think it is locked right now. Okay, and your submissions will be shown here. Okay, let's go to another module. So basically what you will do is you will start with module 1, complete module 1 completely, then move to the module 2, then module 3, then module 4, module 5. Here it is starting data structures. Okay, and also some mapping concepts are in the last module. This is the basic course for C++. Don't think it will provide you all the DSA concepts as well. Okay, you can see leaderboard from here. Okay, contests are here. You can go and keep the contest module wise. Okay, discussion is also given here. You can discuss as well. Okay, ask doubt option is also here. You can sort here. Okay, so this is how this course is prepared, and this course is very good for beginners. Trust me, you will get a lot of things from here. Okay, thank you.